them lazy buggers. They're lazy people. Now that's a window team. Still getting on here. Alena, go on then. Lock. Okay. So there's door frames and 2 more windows to fit. Let's have a look outside. Lovely jubbly. Just tidy the site up. Just window trim. Dropping the sealers up. So yeah. So once I've finished doing the UPVC, then I'll be on doing the doors for the kitchen. That we've got to get these floors polished like. So we're waiting on these team.ว่าไงสบายดีบ่น้องสบายดีบ่So right now they're doing this, the first stage. Ni saat. Saat. Sem ni saat. ที่นี่ทิ้งนู่นนี่เปิดนี่ยังไม่เสร็จตรงนี้ครับนี่เสร็จแล้วนี่หมดนี่สะอาดไม่ชอบสกปรกนะ if I เห็นนะ50 บาท1 2 3 50 if you ไม่สะอาดอย่าให้ผมนะใช่ป่ะน้องใช่ป่ะjust tell you about your workingวันนี้ทำงานสะอาดต้องไปขี้เกียจนี่ขี้เกียจมากขี้เกียจมากใช่ไหมเอาของพี่ก่อน So there we go. The oven's done. Looking nice. So far this is finishing off the feature wall here. That looks really good. Nearly done. You get nice straight lines. So that's what we've done here. So on the tile on there, that'll give you a nice finish on your silicone. Right. So as we fill it up, you should get into all the gap. Just get your finger and run it along. But the idea is, as soon as you've done it, don't let it dry before you take the tape off, because you need it wet. It's still tacky when you get the tape off. Okay, so there you go. When the tape's off, you've got nice clean crisp lines. Always make sure you take it off when it's still wet. Don't let it dry. So just about there with the kitchen, we've just got one more cabinet to put in. In this spot here. Yeah, Turned out quite nice, quite easy to install. I'll put the baskets in for the lighting. Let's see. I've had a crumb band my party today. So there's it. Put the lights on. There we go. It's a race to the finish line now. Painting. So just rolling the stairs down now. Still got these ones to do yet. And then seal it. So just the poster rubbed down. This architrave's got to be painted up grey. Just about done here. 2 doors to hang. So this bathroom's pretty much done. Just a coat and ceiling in the corner there. Another coat of seal on the floor. It's really quite nice. Closet. A couple of hangers up for them. Put the door stops to put in. So this room, again, caught in the corner. Hang the mirror, hang the towel rail. Put the door runner in. Fit the door on the hatch. Yeah, mustn't forget about the hatch. So that's it. This room's done. This needs to dust down. This room's done. Just the door stop to put in. And tonight we'll seal the floor here. Because we can't do it because with them doing this ban krung mai, we can't work because people are walking about. So that's the runner for this bathroom door. Got to get in. So I've got one day clean up and gone tomorrow. Starting on the road. Sawek, the guy that done the concrete work for us, he's putting the road in tomorrow. He's just been out to mark out. So we've got all this rubbish to get rid of. Got a picture to hang there. Finish the ceiling off. I got that rebuilt. All that's done now. This turned out great. So I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to go. Okay. It is, what's that, 20 to 9 there. So what's left to do? The guys have started on the road. We've just had it rain. The ban krung mai is finished. So we can crack on and work late. So the guys marked out for the road. And this, ready for tomorrow, get the concrete poured. Get my shoes off. So, probably clean the floor up, ready for sealing. Or done some of it. So that's the kitchen all done. Turned out brilliant. Apart from the door has got to be painted tomorrow morning. I've been working on this today. kept getting stopped, so it's just to box the pipework in. So that's that. Oh, let me get in this bathroom. Sorry for the darkness. So like the downstairs toilet, the guest toilet sort of thing, shower, and they're working in the garden and that. So just got to clean that out. Finish painting the door. Finish the frame up and touch up on paint on here. Right. Got rid of most of the stuff. A lot of stuff cleaned up already, so it's just a little bit more to do. All that stuff there's got to go into the trailer, same with the scaffolding. So it's like a madish rush to finish off. Tomorrow, I still haven't even finished these 6 steps off yet. But I've got this all done. So been busy. So I don't want to go in there because we just finished up putting the sealer on the floor. I can show you anyway. But that looks really nice. It's strange having the glass bottles in, right? But really nice. So this is all done. Now, just got to hook the doors on for the bathroom. So I'm going to put the drone up now. Let me have a look what it's like in the night. Let's take the spotlights on, because the elephant downstairs looks amazing with it. Oh, spotlight over there for that. X marks the spot. So, put these plastics off. This pie's finished there now. Just getting all the trim around the window doors done. Nice finished detail. Just everywhere you look, there's always something to look at. This house has been interesting to build. So once they get the road in and that, well, they're good to go. Nothing stopping them. So I've got a spotlight on here. That's not fantastic. And I'll use that as me screen thumbnail. Definitely. Sure. There we go. There's my thumbnail. So the road's going in now. Excuse the wind, I haven't got my wireless mic on. So the road's going in now, so it's 12 centimetre thick. And we've got the expansion steels rebar for the next section. It actually corners off, so it'll come off and then down that way. But it's got a bit of a slope on this way. I done the final touch up. That needs to be done over again. Okay, that's it, we're all done. I'm not going to be heading out in about an hour. Just finished packing our things up. That turned out really nice. Got paint that door light. Let's have one more look at this elephant. I'm sure you'll love it. Unfortunately we didn't get the one upstairs done. Too heavy for me and Pi to lift. So Martin Valley's going to arrange for someone else to come and install it properly. So just starting to load up now, get all the gear onto the truck, take it onto the trailer, and that's it, we're going to be heading out. So anyway guys, that's another build finished. Now off to PG8 for that next build. So follow me along. I'm absolutely tired. Nah, Mark. I mean, it's very tired. Okay, so I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now, guys.